Hi guys, my name is Julia and today we are going to talk about how to stay motivated to learn English if you feel too tired or too busy. I'll share just 5 tips to stay motivated and keep learning even on your hardest days. Our first tip is make it fun. Yes, you heard right. You need to watch your favorite series or YouTube videos. Of course, if they are difficult, you can use subtitles in English. For example, if you want to learn real-life English for general speaking, you can watch Friends.
Pages! 18 pages.
Front and back!
Front and back is correct.
Or if you want to improve more business English, you can watch Office.
Drum roll.
People ask me, how can I become a great boss?
Second tip is use your English in your daily life. You can change your phone language or you can label objects in your home with sticky notes. That's why we must prepare English environments. I know a lot of you are not living in English-speaking countries. Always celebrate small wins. Even learning one word or just one sentence matters. Take a journal and write your progress. Like today, I learned a phrase at the end of the day. Journaling can help you to feel motivation on your days when you are a little demotivated. And the last, most important tip is be kind to yourself. It's okay to skip a day. Just don't give up. Sometimes we don't feel learning, maybe because of weather or because of mood or even because of hormones. And it's okay. If you don't want, don't learn today, but never skip more than 2 days. Rest, reset, and come back stronger. That's all. Which tip will you use today? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe the channel for more realistic learning tips. Bye, and see you in the next videos.